Hello everyone, very good morning. So today I'm going to tell you about skincare 21 days challenge which is going on from Oriflame from our team. So how we are doing treatment all about in Oriflame and towards the skin and especially to your face. So yesterday night I have used Nove's Bright Sublime set. Okay, in night I have show you the live and everything to you. So not only night time, even also daytime, you need your skin proper treatment. It's like small treatment which will take 5 minutes of time, which we are not doing. Because of that we are getting our skin like this. So this is my real skin. I even don't use anything. So you can just check. I just wash my face and come. So you can just check how the reduce of the dark spots and this areas, everything what I explained you in last night. So you can just check the eyes area also. I applied eye cream, so eyes area also improved a lot, very less tired skin. So this is what the improvement only in one night. If you regularly use this, definitely like wow. I feel in after 21 days, they obviously all the lockdown issues whatever coming to in my face, it will be go lost. Okay, let's go for the base. Let's start with the date what I am using in day. So let's first size my hair. So I've already opened this. So okay, where is the cap? No problem. This is aloe vera toner, Love Nature aloe vera toner. Everyone know what is the benefit of aloe vera. Aloe vera mainly it is good for skin having watery type, so it is giving hydrating your skins. What hydration work on your face? If you have water less in your skin, then definitely you will get pimple. If you're not drinking water entire the day, definitely you will get pimple, or definitely you will get many skin related problems. So water is very essential even for your body, even for your maintaining your face. So this aloe vera content hydrating to your skin. It can be used in normal skin or dry skin, and also this toner helps to cure inside the skin layer 2 or layer 3, whatever the normal skin issues, it will be get cure and reduce on that. Also I'll tell you what are the ingredients there along with aloe vera in this bottle. You can find in that glycerin, which will give moisturizing to your skin, even limited hydrogenated castor oil. Lactic acid is very important essential for the skin. If you're having any skin issue, if you're going to a doctor prescribe the ointment or something, you can just check his ingredients. You will find the lactic acid will be there. Definitely will be there. It's a very good things for the skin. And methaparaben, aloe vera extract. These things is there ingredients, aqua propylene glycerin. So it will be gives very essential for the skin. How will you use this? I will just tell you. Yeah, I got the cap. Like this tissue you can use. This tissue I have kept, otherwise you can use cotton. You just pour this, whatever you use as per your quantity you do. I like to use more toner entirely while wipe up my face. Gently you have to use. Don't rub your skin, never rub your skin. It will get reddish, it will get early wrinkles if you rub your skin. Just smoothly move on your skin. Just wipe off like this. And if you have the cucumber in your home, you can cut in a slight way. You have to give 2 to 3 minute time to absorb this toner to in your face. By the time you can use cucumber in here, and you can sit back, you will feel very much of relaxed. So this is what way you can use in this ear back. You can use in neck. You can use in nose, this area, eye area, enter the skin, foreheads. So totally I wet my face like face wash. I like to do this with toner, especially for aloe vera. See, let's give 2 minutes of time to absorb this. It will be absorbed. So this 2 minutes it will help to absorb your skin layer 1 and 2. It will be help your toner always help to give tones to your skins. Apart from that toner, I used to use this day cream. This is the part of Nove's also Bright Sublime Advanced Bright Day Cream, which is having SPF 20. SPF 20 what it works. If you are going normal, like if you are going normal outside, otherwise inside also home, so much heat is there. Directly UV ray not coming, but the heat also coming. So you can use this SPF 20, you can refer this. More than this you can use if you are going out. So this bottle I am using daily. After toner I have applied, since I'm not going to home or not now due to lockdown. You can apply this small. After the dry of this, you can apply this in your face, and if you want little bit powder also you can apply, and you can keep your skin. This is what the day routine I am following. I hope it will be works for you if you try. Otherwise depend upon you. I'm using this giving me very good skin. You can just see this. So it is already absorbed. If you wait, you can just do like this, so you'll able to know if water is there, then it is not absorbed. It will take some time. Water is still there. Okay, so it will be completely dry of your face. Then only you apply this and use this. This one smells are very good. Okay, this is what the daytime routine I'm using. I hope you like this, and I'll share you this photos of this. Thank you.